Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Richard with Beck Tools, and today I'm making some torch mount holders. I figured I would just show you guys my process. So this is a production run. I'm doing a batch of 50. So is what I have is I have a pallet set up in there. I know it's hard to see, but that holds 4 parts. And then I have over here is my loading station. So while that is running, that's an 8-minute program. I come over here and I take my blanks and I load them right here. So these are the finished ones right here. These are just rough. So these still need to be flipped and faced, and then some holes. And then finally these will be tapped over here at my tapping station. So that's my process. So the nice thing is there's a lot less downtime on the machine because I'm loading these 4 of them at a time, and then I swap this entire pallet. This entire pallet gets loaded into the machine, and so that will precisely locate everything. So anyways, that's how I run my production parts on my Langmuir Systems MR1, and it works out pretty good. As far as my feeds and speeds, I am running 8,000 RPMs at 100 inches a minute. You can see my program there, and it's just getting after it. Step over, I have 60,000 step over, like 5/16 depth of cut, and then I do my finishing passes at full depth. Anyways, guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about my process, the MR1, the torch mount holders that I'm making right here, leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.